For example, health service domains may all access a national electronic health record service. Police service domains may all access a national vehicle licensing service. A defined publish subscribe communication. What are the advantages and disadvantages of offering publish subscribe as the only communication service? Define role based access control. What are the advantages and disadvantages of using role names for access control and communication? Answer. Publish subscribe list or subscribe is a service in which the different type of interconnected service that is used intermediately with and without server, a smaller amount of servers, and micro server architecture. In sub or pub elegance, all contents can be changed without notice. Pub or subscribe messaging is to be used in implementation, event based construction, or develop enactment. In current cloud design, requests have been separated into small independent widgets which are easy to develop, deploy, and manage. Publish, subscribe, stakes, provide, promote, event notification to this circulated applications. The subscribing publication model allows the transfer of deviate messages to different parts of the system. The message article which discussed the message row provides a light-headed approach, light if reporting of non-violence incidents, and endpoints that allow software components to be connected to this article and send and receive these messages. The allocate a message, a party called publisher only takes the message in this article line. Against the message queue, messages that send until they are received, messages titles are transferred without queues are very few. Messages and sent to all user immediately. All the mechanism that develop buyer for the title will obtain all planted messages unless the user has a full depart advantage. The advantage of pub all messages in today industry low end application are easy to use. You can send it to be amendment predetermined messages, payment message, alt instant messages for this device. Method of distribution arrange the effectiveness of the event. Sorry, because of my I have sickness, and before I also during the record this lecture. Disadvantage. Another disadvantage of the pub or subscribe system is that it is difficult to assess the benefits for buyers. The distributor does not have journal information about the situation where the structure focus on the report. For example, ongoing buyers are often used for registering employees. C part. Most role-based access management RPAC can be safety model that gives user access to the resources secondary their role within their company. RPAC, if applied properly, would be good. Thanks for implementing the minimum incentive rule benefit reducing physical work and IT support through RPAC. You will remove the need for the required word changes due to the deficiency of work companion after you are employed or change your role. Maximize operational performance. RPAC offers a short approach which is rational in definition passivity. Disadvantage. RPAC model has many limits. You cannot institute role misuse bounds that are unaware with the four-sided dimension system before the user starts. Working go-aheads will be approved only the roles, not things and tasks. Uh, I also repeat this lecture. In this chapter, we discuss about the pub or subscribe, publisher subscribing. In this, we discuss the architecture, servers, micro server, cloud design. In develop the stakes, provide, promote the circulated, all subscribe. In publishing messages, parts of the message article, light headed, approach light in the reporting of the non-violence, and receive these messages. The allocate message a party called publisher only called the architect line. Message that sent until the received message titles are transferred without the queues or very few messages and sent to all user immediately. All the mechanism that developed by or for the title will obtain all the planned messages in application and easy to use. You can amendment predetermined and the method of distribution, arrange the effectiveness of the event, and the disadvantage of the pub or subscribe system. It is the difficult to assess the benefits for buyers. The distributor does not have general information. And C part is in we discuss RPAC model. RPAC model can give the safety, assess the resources, can read their role within the company, implementing the minimum incentive rule, benefit reducing physical work. And through RPAC you will remove the need of the required work change due to deficiency of a work companion after you are employed, or change your role, maximize operational performance. RPAC offers a sort approach which is rational in the definition passivity. Disadvantage: RPSC model have many limits, and you cannot institute a role misuse bounds that are unaware with the four-sided dimension system. Before the user starts working, go-aheads will be approved only by the user's role, not thing and the task. Thank you.